Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. And now let's start with our video. As you all know, we are studying about graphical representation and bar graphs. So in the last videos, we drew a graph about our favorite day of the week. For this video, we will draw about our siblings. So we will get to know each other more. So I'd like you to open page number 4 in your textbook and read the question with me. Work with your teacher to complete the graph. So that's our graph. As you can see, that's the title of our graph, sibling in our family. And that's our empty graph. And here I have the vertical axis, as we mentioned before. Vertical mean up and down, and this is our horizontal axis, and horizontal mean right and left. Here for the vertical axis, we named it number of students, and for the horizontal axis, we named it types of siblings. So what do I mean by siblings? Siblings are brothers and sisters. So some of us have only brothers, only sisters, or both brothers and sisters, and some of us are the only child in their family. So assume that the number of the students in our class is 30. So that's the data we came up with. Here's our table. That's the title of the table. Here's our data. No siblings, 7 students. Only sisters, 8 students. Only brothers, 6 students. Both brothers and sisters, 9 students. Now, the next step is to display the data or to draw our data on the graph. So, I'd like you to get your markers and open your page and use, of course, your ruler. For no siblings, we said it's 7 students, so I will go to the chart. I will put on my finger on no siblings, and I will start counting from 0 up to 7. As you can see here, our scale is only 1 unit, so I'm moving from 0, 1, 2, 3. So our scale is 1. So let's start again from 0, and then I will count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I will put a mark for myself, and then I will use my ruler to draw my bar. Now feel free to leave it empty as it is, or draw it, color it. The second one is only sisters. Here I have 8 students, so I will go to only sisters, and I will start to count again from 0 up to 8. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I will put my mark for myself, and I will use my ruler. The third one, 6 students, so we'll do the same. Again, I'll start from 0 up to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we will repeat the same for the last one, which is both brothers and sisters, which is 9. So I will count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. let's go to our next exercise. Please open page number 6 in your book. And of course, it's related to our graph that we just drew. Write or draw something you learned or noticed about today's bar graph. For example, which category had the most votes? Which category were you in? Did your category have a lot of students or few? Here I have the table that represents our data, and you can use your graph or you can use your data. It's up to you. So, as you can see here, when comparing the data, which category had the most votes? So I will have to go to my table and see which is the greatest number, or which is the greatest form. And of course, it's here, number 9, which is related to both brothers and sisters. So when I'm writing my sentence, I will say, both brother and sister had the most votes. The second question, which category you were in? For me, I'm in category both brothers and sisters, because I have both of them. So I wrote in both brother and sister category. So I want you to write your own category by yourself. The last question is, did your category have a lot of students or few? For me, I had a lot of students because it's the category that had the most votes. So my category had a lot of students and had a lot of votes. And that's it. And that's our lesson for today. And thank you and bye. Have a good day.